Hi, David Goad here with Aashna, who just completed the Selling with Video workshop from Vengreso. Aashna, what was one of your biggest takeaways today?
I think one of the biggest takeaways that I took was I've been in the market or I've been in the industry for about 5 years, but there's so much to learn, especially as things are going from emails and calls to actually video and creating content. No matter where you're selling, it's really, really important to learn how to be in front of a camera, how to use hand gestures, how to intonate your voice, because that stuff is becoming more and more important as we go through the digital transformation.
And you feel like you're a little bit further ahead because of what you learned today?
Yes, absolutely. I'm super, super excited to use the skills that I learned in class and bring it back to work.